Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to do an online check-in in Southwest Airlines. So first, what you want to do is head on to your web browser, search up for Southwest Airlines, and then click on the first link that will pop up. And then once you're there, what you want to do is click on the check-in tab right here, and then you can start by entering your confirmation number, which can be found in the receipt of your flight, or it can also be found in your email. So just enter your confirmation number right here, and then once you're done with that, enter your first name, and then once you're done with that, enter your last name, and then once you're done, click on check-in, and then you are done. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to do an online check-in in Southwest Airlines. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.